Ready to vibe? Let's dive into today's track. Khago Shawn Storm Dis Chip Chip is an explosive diss track that drops fierce energy right from the start. This track delivers raw street energy with rapid-fire verses that confront disloyalty, all wrapped in a bold urban vibe. Khago opens with "Funeral a Keep" and "The Girl's a Block." "Sky Ain't Got Gun Down the Block," instantly setting a gritty scene. The rhythmic refrain, "Chip Chip Chop 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 Chop, Murder Murder Murder," drives home his relentless style, while clever lines like "Bang Bang Boy Shan't Stand Grudge Me Fee Me Bim" showcase his uncompromising stance on loyalty and power. His fearless flow and inventive language transform raw aggression into captivating art. Every line is delivered with precision, making the track both energetic and memorable. I'm giving it a solid 7 to 10. If you're into high-energy diss tracks with creative lyricism, this one's a must-listen. Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below.